Beloved, let us love one another, for love is from God, and whoever loves has been born of God and knows God. Beloved, if God so loved us, we also ought to love one another. God is love, and whoever abides in love abides in God, and God abides in him. There's no fear in love, but perfect love casts out fear. We love because he first loved us. All who would trust in Christ will know that same saving love. It's the mark of the Christian that we love one another as we have been loved by God. Kyle, may you always remember that Mackenzie is your nearest sister in Christ, as well as your wife. And may you, Mackenzie, always remember that Kyle is your nearest brother in Christ, as well as your husband.